Good morning, dolls. So today's video is going to be get ready with me / my morning routine. I'm going to be showing you everything I do to get ready in the morning. Today I'm going to the gym. That's the first thing in the morning I do, is go work out as much as I can every day of the week. I'm going to show you all the steps I take to get to that point from waking up. My morning's very relaxed, glam, girly and pink. You know, that's just how my life is. So I'm going to take you on this very glam girly morning routine. Very simple, nothing too special. I'm going to show you all the products I'm using to get ready and all the food and stuff that I eat before, I guess, starting my day. So grab your coffee. I already have mine. Grab your tea and grab your water. Let's do this girly glam morning routine. Let's go, dolls.
Could be a dream, and I ding dong, plans would come true, and I ding dong, my whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life ain't a ding dong, if I could take you up and boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom and hoping to meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
So I just lay in bed for a really long time before I really wake up. It takes me so long to get out of bed, but once the light hits my eyes, it's all over. Like, I'm forced to wake up, but I just love to just lay in bed and as much as I can. Like, I just love it. And then once the light is in my eyes, I cannot stand it and I just have to get out of bed. Once I'm out of bed, I love to take a long stretch and just, you know, get used to the light and the cold, and I just yawn for a really long time and stretch. It's just trying to get myself, you know, comfortable. And I wipe my eyes a lot just to, you know, realize that it's daytime and it's time to wake up. Do a lot of stretching and some more rubbing of eyes. And then I check my phone for notifications on social media and emails before I really get out of bed. Next, I brush my teeth. So that really wakes me up. At this point, I'm a bit like much more alert. I have to brush my teeth first before I talk to anybody or even eat. Then next, I do my facial routine, which is just cleansing my face with my facial cleanser, spin brush. And I like to use St. Ives. A lot of people do not like St. Ives because they say it's not good for your skin. But for me, it's helped me a lot with so much of my pimples. And, you know, when it's that time of the month, I tend to get pimples a lot. And St. Ives really helps that. So I just scrub away. It's so relaxing and this really wakes me up. Like, it wakes my skin up. It just wakes me up and it's just so relaxing. I could do this all day, literally. And I just love it. And then after doing that, I use rose water, Spritz, and I just spray all over my face and kind of on my body as well. It really wakes me up. Then I use the Pond's face cream, and it gives me a really good like moisture. I've only been using it for a few days and I love it. It wakes up my skin and ready for the day. So I just buff that into my skin. And yes, I do love to wear a little bit of makeup to the gym. I just like to have a little extra glam look to the gym, and not all the time, but majority of the time I do. So I do my lips. I don't do any face product, like I don't wear any foundation. I just do my lips, eyeliner and a little bit of highlight. So just to highlight my favorite feature, which is my eyes and my lips. And that's what I do, is I just love my lipstick. I wear very light makeup to the gym, as you're about to see. I just have concealer under my eyes because I have like in my opinion, I have dark circles. I just like to wake up my eyes and a little bit of bottom liner to really bring attention to my eyes, and it just makes me, and some lashes too, it just makes me feel just more confident when I stare at myself in the gym mirror. And I like that. I feel like we all need that little boost of confidence when we're working out, and it just feels good. I just love it. I love looking glamorous in the gym. So that's done. And I add a bit of highlight to my cheeks, as I said, because it just gives me this little natural glow. I love it. I love looking like that in the gym. I add some of it to my nose as well. And the key is to be very gentle with it. You don't need too much. Just make it look as natural as possible. And next I add some lip gloss to my lips. I'm using an NYX colour Fortune Cookie in the middle. And then I top it off with clear lip gloss. I just love my lips to look just more juicy. I already have full lips and I just like it more full. And then now it's time for hair. So I just got this off of Amazon. I love this blow dry. It makes my hair look like model hair. I don't know how to describe it to you, but it gives me that 90s blowout look. Very effortless, and it looks so like I didn't do too much. This is my favourite go-to product for my hair right now. And I've heard good reviews and I actually love it from day one. I have been using this non-stop and it just gives me perfect results. Like, look at my hair, blown out, shiny and gorgeous and just effortless. I love it so much and I love going to the gym like this. So I always take my multivitamins in the morning, and I take women's multivitamins. These are gummies and they taste so delicious. They're so soft. I could have more than 2 some mornings, but they recommend you to take 2, so I just take 2. But they're so good and they taste so good, and I feel like it helps grow my hair as well. It says it grows your hair and nails. And then next I get my diary out. It's like a little planner I got on Amazon, and it helps me just plan the day, things that I need to do. And one of them here says filming a vlog, which I'm doing right now. And I just fill this out every morning. It helps to keep me on task of goals that I need to complete. And I just go through them and figure out things I need to do, even down to like shopping, what I need to pick up. It helps keep me on track. My favourite part of the day is coffee, and I just love my coffee bar. I love everything about it. It's so pinky, so girly. I set up everything, including the flower wall. I am obsessed with my Smeg. It makes the best coffee, and today I'm using Folger's coffee. This is very strong. I can normally do 2 coffees a day, but I can't do this because it makes me nauseous if I have 2 cups. I do like 3 scoops of coffee. And I just love my coffee bar. It just makes me feel so comfortable and so girly. I don't know how to describe it, but I feel so happy with my coffee bar. It feels like I'm in a cafe, and I just get excited for this part of the day, just watching my coffee be made. It's such a good feeling. I don't know how to describe it, but the most mundane, simple things bring me so much joy. Just waiting for coffee, knowing that, you know, this starts off my day. It's just, I can't describe it, but it just makes me happy. And now my coffee is ready. I've already mixed my coffee, like all the creamer and everything, so I'm just pouring it in. It tastes better that way when you mix it beforehand. And now it's time to enjoy. I love it. My coffee is like a really good, you have to taste my coffee to know. And I have this little DIY Chanel cup I made myself. And it's time to enjoy my little Cafe LB. So when I'm done, I normally sit down, look at emails, check out who is sending me what through PR, and you know, read you guys' comments on YouTube. This is the time I respond to a lot of comments, is in the morning, right before I start my day. I just love it. So dolls, whenever you see a love heart, I'm replying to your comment in the day, like early in the morning. And Raven, one of my dogs, joined me in bed as usual, not knowing boundaries. Anyway, she loves my bed, and I just enjoy my last bit of coffee. And then I'm now going to make a smoothie, because that's like the last thing I do before I go to the gym. After drinking my coffee, I make a smoothie or either yogurt. So the final thing I do before I go to the gym, I like to have some breakfast, either yogurt or I like to have a smoothie. So I'm going to show you the smoothie I'm about to make. I'm not going to show you making the smoothie, but I'm going to show you like what I put in my smoothie, and then I'll show you how my smoothie came out, and then I'll be done and ready to head to the gym. So this is basically my breakfast. I make a really nice frozen style smoothie, and I'm using yogurt, milk, almond milk, honey, fruits, everything natural. It tastes so good. I actually call this my strawberry like pink starburst, because it tastes like the pink starburst. I start off using honey, kind of like how they do in Starbucks, around the edges, and I'm going to put a lot of ice in here. About 4 ice cubes can fit in there. And then I put some mangoes. Mangoes gives it a nice sweet taste. Frozen mangoes. Everything I use is frozen. And then I use a lot of strawberries. Normally I use raspberries as well to make it more pinkier and make it more tasty, but I don't have them. And then I use some Chobani Greek yogurt. I do not like any other yogurt than Greek yogurt and natural yogurt. Then I use bananas, and I cut them in half, so I don't use the other half, I just eat it. And then I put the bananas on top, and then I put some almond milk, and then it's time to blend. And you see that nice pink transition, I love it. So after blending, I put fruit on top. Sometimes I put raspberries. As I said, I didn't have any raspberries today, so I'm just going to use some of these berries, blackberries and frozen strawberries. And this is just to make it aesthetically pleasing. Like, it's so gorgeous. I get so many compliments whenever I post this on Instagram. And then I use my glass straw, because I just love smoothies with a glass straw. It tastes so much better. And then just look at that smoothie, dolls. This fills me up pretty much till lunchtime. Now it's ready to consume. I love it. It literally gets my day started. It's so aesthetically pleasing. And I just eat that. And as soon as I finish doing dolls, if you enjoyed my morning routine, oh, I've got hair in my mouth. If you enjoyed my morning routine, give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. I am now heading to the gym. Thank you so much for watching, dolls, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, dolls.
Life could be a dream, and I think I'm planned to come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, and I think I'm la-lang-la-lang-la-lang. Boom-ba-oh, ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. And I think I'm la-lang-la-lang-la-lang. Boom-ba-oh, ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Oh, life, and I think I'm if I could take you up in boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, shaboom, and I think I'm planned to come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to,